Hi, I'm Luke, and today I'm going to show you how to create a 360 virtual tour with Koala 360. Right now we're on the website, but if you click this Create a Tour button, it's going to take you to the dashboard. You'll need an account, which is free and quick to sign up for, and once you're here, you can click on Create New Tour. That opens the tour creator, and now we need to add some images. We can do that by clicking this blue button down here. We can either upload images to start from scratch, and you'll need 360 images here, or equirectangular ones, that you can get from an Insta360 camera, or any other 360 camera, or 3D software such as Blender. You can also start with an example tour, and I'm going to do that. Now that we have our images here, you can see there's a few things going on. We've got our pano thumbnails down the bottom, and we have a pano hotspot in the center of the screen. I'm just going to delete this and show you how to connect some different 360s together. So now that that's deleted, I want to connect this image to this one. I can do that by clicking and holding on this image and dragging it to where I want it to be. And just like that, it's connected. Now I can navigate to this new pano that we've just connected. So now that we're here, let's take a look at how to adjust the settings to customize the tour. Up in the top right corner, click on this cog button to open the settings. We've got the tour settings here and the image settings. So on the image settings, you can give the image a name, you can change the thumbnail, you can disable look around just for that image, and you can see the linked hotspots. But I'm going to go back to the tour settings and give my tour a name, Apartment Tour. We also have some additional controls, such as enabling the gyroscope, full screen mode, disabling zoom, enabling a compass, and VR mode. And for the ones in which it's going to allow the user to toggle between the modes, you can see it's going to add some buttons up here. You can scroll down to change the look and the feel. So right now, you can see that we've got these labels here. I want to hide them. You can also hide the thumbnails if you want, but I'm going to keep them there just for easy navigation. You've got auto rotate, which slowly pans around the image. I'm going to slow it down even further just by changing this value here. There you go. We have image variations, which is good for showing light and dark or day and night, before and after, any of those kinds of things. And we also have the ability to password protect the tour. Right now I'm going to hit save, and it's going to apply those settings. Now I want to connect a new pano. So I'm going to click this button to upload an image. Now that image is uploaded, and I want to put an info spot here. I have the ability to add text, image, video, music, and link info spots. But for now, I'm just going to add a text info spot to this couch and call it couch. Then I'm going to give it a description, comfy couch, and hit save. And you can see now if I hover over this info spot and view it, it's going to snap to bring it into focus and show me that message. The last thing that we need to do is publish the tour. So if I come up to here and hit publish, then click on this publish button, it's going to give me a unique link that's going to allow me to share that tour with others. So if I click on this link, it's going to copy it, and now I can paste it in the browser to access it. And there you go. Now I have this tour. If I click on VR mode, you're going to see how that toggles. A couple of different options there. I can click on the pano to view it. I can have a look around. I can click on this getting started info spot. Hello and welcome to Koala 360. And I can also navigate to that new image we just added by using the pano thumbnail down the bottom of the screen. So now that the tour is published, we can either copy the link, get a QR code for the tour, or get some embed code that we can just copy and paste into the website. The last thing to do would be to remove the watermark, and you can do that by going pro. So that covers it. That's how we create a 360 virtual tour with Koala 360 pretty quickly.